Good morning, dear student. Today, that is 13th of July. I hope you all have done your work sincerely. Today, we will discuss our new chapter, that is Unit 5 Fraction. So, first, I am going to introduce what is fraction and their types. So, what is fraction? My dear student, do you know what is fraction? The fraction is number in this form are known as fraction. Which form? Like 1 upon 4. Here, see A is a top part and B is a bottom. So here we call A is a numerator and B is a denominator. So what is the numerator? Numerator is the number of equal parts which have been taken out or which have been left out. Like 1 upon 8. Here 1 is a numerator. In this example 1 upon 4. So 1 is a numerator. What is denominator? Denominator is the total number of equal parts in which whole is divided into. See there 1 upon 8. So here 8 is a denominator and another side 1 upon 4. 4 is a denominator. Now my dear student, what is fraction? Here in the case of condition of fraction, b is equals to, is b is equals to 0? Here b is equals to 0. Why cannot be 0? Is not equal to 0 just because our answer is meaningless. Okay. So if b is equals to 0, then the fraction will be not defined or meaningless, as we have cannot divided anything by 0. So I thought you understand that condition b is not equal to 0. So here let's some example. See this example 1 upon first example figure 1 upon 2 is there. Here 2 upon 3 and here 1 upon 4. See this example. Which figure is correct as according to fraction case? So only second option will be correct, just because our condition is इक्वली डिवाइड होना चाहिए. जो भी हमारा फिगर है वो हमारा पूरी तरह से इक्वल डिवाइड होना चाहिए. सी फर्स्ट फिगर, दिस वाज नॉट इक्वल and this is that is equal. Here also see this one, our first figure 4 equal parts, that is equal condition. We have to write in the form of fraction 1 upon 4 and see that figure, this was not a fraction form. So here my dear student, various types of fraction. So first we know about proper fraction. So do you know proper fraction? Proper fraction is like 9 upon 10, 9 upon 100, 9 upon 1000, 9 upon 10,000. These are the proper fraction. How we say 1 upon 4, 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. Say improper fraction are the fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. See this 10 upon 9, 6 upon 5, 100 upon 9, 25 upon 9. So there is the difference between the proper fraction and improper fraction. So here I am going to read. Whenever we perform a normal division on a proper fraction, the answer will be always less than 1. And here improper fraction, whenever we perform a normal division on an improper fraction, the answer will always be more than 1. See here 1 upon 4, we have to divide by 4. So we are getting 0.25 and another side 5 upon 4. When we divide, so 1.25. That is the condition of proper and improper. So, how will you divide this 5 upon 4? We divide like this. Firstly, we have to change in the mix from. So we have to, how to divide mix from here? Mixed fraction is simply an improper fraction written as the sum of whole number and a proper fraction. It means we have to say like that the combination of whole number and the proper fraction is called the mixed fraction. Here, see this example 1 upon 4. That is the example of mixed fraction. Here improper fraction, how to divide 5 upon 4. So here 4 ones are 4 and then after 1 is remainder. So how to write in the form of mixed fraction? First here is mixed fraction 1 upon 4. It means divisor is our denominator part and divisor is a denominator part and 1 is a quotient part and this one is a remainder part. So we have to arrange like this. Improper fraction to convert into mixed fraction. This is this. Now my dear student, this is the introduction or the types of fraction. I thought you all are understood. If any doubt, then ask.